Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I've got some of my Glitterbels gel polishes to be swatching for you. Check out my unboxing video if you haven't already. So I'm just going to jump straight into the video and swatch the first shade, which is Possum Sparkle. And this one is just a very pretty purple with a very subtle bluish kind of glitter in there. I'm just going to swatch that here on my swatch stick. Wow, that is really pigmented. I thought it was going to be a bit more sheer, but I would definitely get away with one coat of that. That is so pretty. I love that. These gel polishes are 17 mils, which I think is amazing because the standard I think is around 20 mils, but this is amazing. I really like the shade, really pretty, very vibrant. I like the subtle glitter in there. I'm just going to cure that for 60 seconds. The next shade is called Hollow Heaven, and this shade is just a holographic, really pretty silver type of polish. Not polish, just a holographic gel polish, and I'm going to swatch that now. Whoa, these are very like, as you can see, that is really good coverage in just a couple strokes. Like, that is amazing. It may take a bit of playing around to get the glitters to go exactly where you want them to. Wow, that is so pretty. So happy I got that. How I would use the shade is usually on a background which already has some color on it. I usually wouldn't leave it plain like this, so it might cover up some of these little blank spots. But that is so pretty. It's just it's not really circular. I don't think it's circular cuts of glitter. It's just like a mixture of different pieces that are not really circular, but just trying to get these spots to be filled in. Just gonna add a bit more just so I can fill those spots in. What that shade looks like, really loving it. The next shade that I'm going to swatch is called On Wednesdays We Wear, and this one is, I believe, like a hot pink. Yeah, seems like it's gonna be pretty sheer in the bottle, so we'll see. Okay, it's not too sheer. It's not as sheer as I thought it would be. Sorry. I was considering maybe getting a different kind of pink, but I don't know. I feel like I kind of like this one now. I'll have to see how I feel about it. Not the most pigmented, but really pretty. I really like it. Yeah, really nice. So that's that one. That one is On Wednesdays We Wear. I think I will go over this one in two coats because it is a little bit sheer for my liking. But I'll have to see after it's cured. I also really like how the packaging is nice and matte instead of it being so shiny. So the next shade is Temptation, and it's just a nice bright orange, which looks like this. Really nice and bright. And I'm just gonna swatch that now. Yes, love how pigmented that was. That was so easy to apply. So that one was Temptation, just a nice pretty orange. The next shade is Lemon Juice, and it's just a nice creamy kind of yellow color. Not the brightest, but it's still a nice yellow, and this is what it looks like. I like that. It's just a yellow. It's very it's not as bright as I thought it was going to be, but it's not bad. I would use that. I would use that. It's showing a bit more up, a bit more brighter on camera, but it's not really that bright. The next shade is called Knockout. Now, I'm not really a green kind of girl, but this green is just amazing. It's like a very bright neon kind of green. Again, the pigmentation on these gels is amazing. For me anyways, because I've come from using really affordable kind of gel polishes. I mean, this is still very affordable, but let's just say I kind of began my journey on a much lower budget compared to the things that I am investing in now. So I would say these are quite good pigment. I don't know if these are the best, but I really like that. I think I really like that, and I'm not even a green kind of person. This one is Wedding Ring, and it's just a nice teal or light blue color, whatever you want to call it. And I did get these swatch sticks from Amazon. This is just what that looks like, and I'm just gonna swatch it here. Whoa, pretty color. Really easy to apply that one, and no patchiness. That's Tiffany teal or teal something. What are you called? Oh, Wedding Ring. Sorry, I'm referring to a different shade that I'm going to show you guys later. So that's that one. These gels are quite thin, but their pigmentation is amazing. So that's great. This one, my favorite, the purple. I've saved the best for last. Purple Possum, and I'm just gonna open that up. This is my first time swatching them. Oh, that is so pretty. Love that. Yes, this is exactly what I was expecting, and it's exactly what I got. It's good for me. That is Purple Possum. Love that. That is so pretty. Really like that. Let me know down in the comments if there is anything specific that you wanted me to talk about that I'm not talking about, because I usually don't do swatch videos, so I'm not too sure what I'm saying, what I'm supposed to say, but I am waiting for some more gels to come in, but these are the ones I've swatched so far. I will go over them all again, because there is some patchiness on some of them, which is fine. I'll just go over them again. So I'm just gonna speed this part of the video up. Okay, so that's all the shades swatched, and I will just quickly read out their names. The first one is called On Wednesdays We Wear. The second one is called Temptation. The third one is called Lemon Juice. The fourth one is called Knockout. The fifth one is called Wedding Ring. I think this one is called Purple Possum, and this one's called Possum Sparkle. Sorry, I'm just gonna check. Yeah, Possum Sparkle. And then this one is Hollow Heaven. So that was all the gel polishes swatched. I will have more gel polishes coming, but they're not currently in stock. But this one, I'm a little bit disappointed with, because even with 2 coats I can see it is a bit sheer and patchy, but it's no deal breaker. I will just apply 3 coats, I guess. So that's those. Okay, so what I'm going to do next is I'm going to swatch all of my glitter acrylics that you hopefully have seen in the unboxing. So I'm just going to get started with Hot Flake, which is the pink shade. Now, I've never used these myself before, and this is my first time trying. So this is what it looks like, and here we go. I'm not using the Glitterbels brush because that one wasn't in stock, but I am wanting to buy it. I am just using a random number 8 that I got from my beauty supply store. Now, I'm not really familiar with acrylic too much, so I am just going to start off with a bit of a small kind of bead. I did make this purchase so I can begin my acrylic journey and start to practice, so let me know down in the comments if you have any tips for me about how I can do better acrylic application and things like that. Oh, so that's exactly what I was expecting, so I'm just going to go in with a little bit more. Okay. So clearly, as the name suggests, it is a really pretty pink with some nice big chunks in there, which I like. I've never used a chunky glitter before like this, so I thought
my cries and watch me weep. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright.
Wow, I really like that one. This one is Sarah. Pick up a bit of that on my brush and just apply that here. Okay, I should probably pick up more now. Try to pick up a bit of a bigger bead. If you're someone who's really familiar with acrylic and works with acrylic quite a bit, if you have any tips for me, let me know down in the comments, because I would really appreciate some help right now that I've begun practicing some acrylic. If you would like to help me out with that, I would be very grateful. So that's the green one. I like how the big chunks have a bit of an iridescence to them. So this one is Scales. Oh yeah, that's exactly what I thought this was, and it's exactly what I wanted. Yes, so glad I picked this one. Wow. All the glitters I got, by the way, are multi-mixed. That's the right word to use, yeah. These are all multi-mixed glitters, which means that there's different types of cuts of glitter and different sizes. Wow.
Content, hold your breath and feel the tension. Devils hide behind redemption. Honesty is a one-way gate to hell. I want to taste consumption. Eat faster to waste oxygen. Hear the children.
Really like this one. Really pretty. The next acrylic powder is called Purple Jewel. What is this one? But I like that. You can definitely tell it's purple. It looks a bit funky. It's got a bit of different colors in there, which I like. Something different. If I don't like something, I'm not going to say that I don't like it and that I'm not going to use it. I just try to work with it and look at it as something new that I can try and experiment with. I'm not saying I don't like this one, but don't know, I kind of didn't expect it to look like this, but I'm not mad at it. I like it. It's called Chunky Star, and it's just a holographic one, a silver holographic. Now, she had so many holographics on her website that I was getting so confused of what to buy. Then I saw this one, I was like, right, just put it in your cart and buy it, otherwise you're just not gonna buy anything. So, wow, okay, love it. Yep, love it. Chunky Star, definitely my favorite one, but that's all for the glitters. Now I'm going to show you some plain colored ones. So this one is called, I already know what this one's called, it's called Wifey. Yeah, Wifey, because I really just fell in love with this color as soon as I saw it on the website. So I was like, yes, that's my shade, gonna get it. So this one is Wifey. A good true red, love it, absolutely love it. So that's a Wifey. Next one is Dragon Fruit. I am going to start going a bit faster now because I'm just looking to my left and I'm like, okay, I have a lot more to do, and I'm just being really slow about it. So okay, it will have to do because I do not want this video to be too long. This one is Dragon Fruit, absolutely love it, a nice good hot pink. Next shade is Tropical Sunrise. This one's just a nice orange shade. Okay, Tropical Sunrise, loving it. Next one is Queen Bee. Nice bright yellow, I love that. I like how bright it is. I wish the gel polish was this bright, but it's okay. I know this one's called Frog something. Crazy Frog, yeah. I like this name. It's a cool name. Crazy Frog. And it's just a nice, beautiful green. That one was really easy to apply. Okay, that one was Crazy Frog. Yeah, like that one. The next shade is Tiffany Teal. Tiffany Teal. This one also did not come with a seal.
Here we go again. Trying hard, but you wanna be my friend. Ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to. Here we go again.
Teal. And I like it. Again, not as bright as I wanted it to be, but a lot of the colors were out of stock on the website, and I did just want to get a nice order. Okay, another favorite color of mine, ocean deep. I love dark blues. I hope this is like that perfect royal deep kind of blue. I really hope it is. Here we go. This is what it looks like. It looks amazing in the pot. I hope it looks as amazing on the swatch stick.
If you don't wanna change, ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to. If you don't wanna change.
My favorite colored acrylic so far. The next shade is Purple Rains. It's Purple Rains. Did I mention that these pots are 28 grams? So that's a pretty good amount, and I paid for each one around £7 something with taxes.
I can't breathe without your
Love them. Yeah, this one is definitely got a bit of marbling going on. I don't know if you can see it. Let's see if I can show you a bit better. No. Here, it's a little bit of a white patch, and it definitely shows up more in real life. And here it's like a nice, I don't know if that was an issue with me, but let me know down in the comments. I'm just gonna fill that spot in because it's bugging me. It was a very pretty color though, I really liked it. The next one is just her carbon black, so it's just a black color, and that's what it looks like. That was very easy to apply. That's just the black, really pretty. So that's all the colored acrylics done. Now the next thing I want to swatch is her starter kit, which I have purchased also. So first one is Glitterbels Soft. So that's the first cover color. The next one is Glitterbels SWATCHES. It's definitely more of a pinky one for sure. Comes with a seal. Yep. Ooh, okay. This one's more of like a clip. This is basically a clear pink. Wow, I like that. But I don't think I would use this as like what do you call it? I forgot the word. I don't think I would use this as my base color. I think that's what I'm trying to say. Maybe I'd use this to like cap or like cover something if I wanted a bit of a pink tint to it. That is so pretty. It's like a pink jelly. It's like a clear, but a pink clear. So that's what that one looks like. Yes, I missed the sides a bit, but I'm not too bothered. Oh, what's that one? I like that one. This one is Pink Opal. Pink Opal. I keep forgetting there's a seal. Pink Opal. Oh, I like that. Not sure how I feel about this one being my base-ish kind of color. Not too sure. Oops. Not sure about this one being my base color. Actually, now that I look at it, I see myself wearing this. It almost looks similar. No, it doesn't. Okay. Okay. So that one is this one, which I forgot the name of again because I'm forgetting things. Pink Opal. That one's Pink Opal. Next one is Peachabelle Cover. Beige, I guess. Yeah, I feel like this one is something that I would use more like a cover. A cover? I'm just gonna call it a base because I could be saying it completely. I like that, but I think it's a little bit, I like more of like a pinky kind of. This one's a bit orangey, beigey. I like it though. I know this could suit my mum because she is a bit, she kind of likes these kind of colors more, so let's see if this would suit her more than me. Okay, so that one was a Peachabelle Cover. We have Pinkabelle Cover. Anyway, yeah, I think this is more of like my kind of color that I would use, definitely. Swatch is Snowdrops White because I did get a white and a clear in the collection, in the kit, sorry. But I don't think I should swatch the clear just because it's just like clear, or should I just swatch it? I'll just swatch it. Okay, here's the white. Nice bright white. Okay. Nice milky. No, it's like it's a good strong white. It's not milky at all. It's just a good solid white like that. I already know this one because everyone uses it. It's called Glass Slippers and it's just the clear. You know what, I'm just going to check that is Glass Slippers. Okay, it is Glass Slippers. It's definitely Glass Slippers and it's just a clear. Okay, just a clear. I will do a bit more at the bottom. Just there. And there's that clear. So those were all the colors and everything, and I can't swatch these or anything, but I will just show them quickly. I put this in my unboxing video. The kit did come with clear monomer 100 ml and this really cute metal bottle, and it came with a free acid-free primer and dehydrator. And look at that packaging and the holographic nurse. That is beautiful. So that is that for this video. I will just show you the swatch sticks very quickly. These are all the glitters I got. Absolutely love them. Love them so much. My favorites have to be this one and this one for sure, and this one as well, because if you actually turn it around, it's like, this is how it's probably going to look on the nails, and it just like that. So those three are my favorite. Let me just show you these underneath as well. Those three are definitely my favorite. Now I'm just going to show you the colored acrylics. These are the, I'm going to try and remember, wifey, dragon fruit, I don't know, Yeah, no, it doesn't matter. I'm not even gonna try. So that's the red, the hot pink, the orange, and the yellow. I'd rather just call them that. Next, a little bit disappointed of the marbling here, but you know what? It's nothing serious. It's nothing that can't be hidden or anything like that. Then the black, love, definitely a favorite. Love by purples, love by blues. Out of these four, I'm leaning more towards these two, maybe more towards that one. Best one that I could probably go for, that one. Right, and this one is the clear. So that's what those look like. And I think that concludes today's video. I had so much fun swatching these, and it was really exciting for me to swatch these. I really enjoyed it. I hope you guys enjoyed it too. Please, if you want to answer any of the questions that I asked in this video, please let me know down below in the comments, and I will be very grateful. Also, if you do have any questions for me, please do let me know. Now here, I'm just going to try and lay out all the colors. This one is so pretty. Wow. I hope you guys had fun. I hope I was able to show you everything that you wanted to see. Let me know if I missed anything out. Maybe I can include it in a different video. What look would you like me to create using which color? Please do let me know. I will try my best to create a look, but do bear in mind I'm no pro or anything. I am just still at the learning stage, so I will try my best, and I will see you guys in my next video. Please don't forget to follow me on Instagram, where I will definitely be doing posts using these colors, and I will be doing maybe some swatches, some more swatches, some really quick swatches just for Instagram. And please do let me know what you think, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.